Hey guys, Czar here. Good morning to you. Hope all is well. Trust you're having a good day. It is Wednesday, Hump Day, September 24th, 2025. We have about 1.5 minutes to the open of New York. This is the daily frame. Inside days on all three sisters, NASDAQ, S&P, and Dow. Marginal bullish bodies so far this morning. Fairly uneventful here overnight, guys. This is the NASDAQ 30-minute time frame. My zone time frame. There's the big push down on New York yesterday, grinding up in Asia overnight. A couple of railroad candles here in London, and now just kind of hanging out, grinding in this range, the span of travel of that big white candle from the London session here on the NASDAQ. Very similar picture on the S&P 500. Some clean traffic from yesterday up above, a naked body that is not completely filled, doesn't have to fill, but it likely will. And then, of course, we have the 1 minute charts here, guys. Very messy, as you can see here in London. This is the Globex Open. This is the Asian Open. Globex being Australia, Asia down here, London here, and New York about to open right here inside of, at least part of, the London Open range. So these will be in line here today, guys. I'll bring you back on the open. 1 minute open range. Of course, the amplitude of that is 36 points on the NASDAQ, 5.5 points on the S&P. Going to be very patient here this morning, as you often hear me say. Globex and Asian open range is down below. New York open range is straddling the London open range. And we are now all the way back down to the Globex open range and about to tag the London open range, which we have just done. Daily candle flipping hard. Dropping down out of the gates here, guys. Nothing for me to do. I'm going to delete these open ranges now to keep things nice and clean. But you saw where they were. Nothing for me to do here, guys. Just watching for now. Deleting this zone to keep things clean. The big key zone, of course, is down here. This is a continuation zone, and this is just the push up from the London session. In fact, I'm going to delete that so it doesn't distract. There was already an impulse move up, took many candles, one candle down, and then continuation. That was just the opening 30-minute candle of the London session. Dropping down to the 30-second chart here for a moment. My trading view is not loading up properly here, guys, but bringing out a marker, just measuring. Sell stop order, guys, right now. Sell stop order. More or less tag the 21 here on the 30-second chart. Stop inside of the open range above all of these three wicks inside the open range. Here we go. And I'm in, guys. I am in. Short the NASDAQ here. Momentum play, daily flipping bearish. See that? Upon entry, that's the moment of flipping bearish, which is already done this morning, just right here. Trail that's been blazed to here, now looking for a continuation lower. So we have an inside day here, guys, with a bearish body. It was bullish all morning and all overnight, and now it flipped bearish, dropping down hard on the open. Failure to rally higher above the open range. EMAs broke out of the 1 minute open range here, guys, 9 below 21, dropping hard. Pulling back, tagging the 21, more or less, close enough, on the 30-second chart here, guys. Fast market rules. Supported by the S&P 500. That's important to me on moves like this. And target 1 has been hit, guys, and so the 1 hour all or nothing trader has left the game with full profits, and the 2 hour move stop to break even at 1 hour has moved their stop to break even because we hit 1 hour. Now we'll wait and see what happens to the rest of these traders. And target 2 has been hit, guys, and so the 1.5 hour all or nothing trader has left the game as well. So why am I short here, guys? Well, we're in a rampaging bull market, but we are very extended. We had this resting day yesterday, finished in a bearish configuration, opened up here earlier in London, tried to rally, failed, curved over and turned down into the New York Open. And then in New York, guys, selling began immediately, rested for a moment, broke down below EMAs, broke out of the open range, 9 below 21, headed down. A nice orderly impulse wave, orderly pullback, 1, 2, 3, 4 up candles, breaking down below. One bearish candle, so a 3-bar reversal here, guys, on the T-con style move. And then breaking down below, that bearish candle, stop above, not just this pivot, guys, but both EMAs and all 3 of these wicks that you see here. All right, guys, as you can see, after the 10 a.m. news, we had a bullish reaction pulling us all the way back to my original entry. And so the 2R move stop to break even at 1R has been stopped out at break even. And it's 10:35, guys. Trying to drive down here after this choppy sideways grind, reminding you that this is a 30-second chart. So you're seeing a lot of noise and detail in here. I'm going to delete this zone marker here now, guys, to show that we have closed below and driving down without too much trouble whatsoever. And I will typically add a zone marker at the open of New York, which is right in through here, as you can see. So that'll be for the trade snapshot. All right, guys, we're back. It's almost 11 a.m. This is the 30-second chart. Lots of chop and grind in here. I'm just going to flip over to the 1-minute chart to clean things up a little bit. You can still see the idea of the entry here on that pullback and then folding down below, which actually happened, of course, on the 30-second chart. I think I'll leave it on the 1-minute chart here just to make for a cleaner trade snapshot. And there it is, guys. Thanks for joining me. Appreciate you. Had to be patient with that one. Hope you have an amazing afternoon and evening, and I will see you tomorrow for Thirsty Thursday. Thanks again. Take care.